If you're an extreme shop and fully conform with that particular style or school of Agile development, you'll do pair programming all the time. Absolutely everything. But even in that case, your intention and your design in particular cases may change. So it's useful to be able to categorise and think and reflect upon different uses you might make of pair programming. Now, one use of pair programming is actually educational. That is knowledge transfer between peers. Now, on a team, if it's a mixed ability team, you can have people which are stronger at particular skill sets and weaker than others. Now, pair programming is a terrific way to transfer skills. Now, it might be you pick a task and you ain't quite got the entire skill set required. Pairing up is brilliant. It's an excellent way to get somebody who possesses the skill in abundance, who can do the task, and you get them to pair up with you for that task. This happens in extreme shops as well. People are selective about who they pair with. You don't have a fixed pair. I mean, obviously, with pair programming, there are some people where you have rapport with, who you've worked with and you're confident about. But also it's good to mix in. So you'll see in Agile shops which work, which do pair programming, a reasonable amount of switching pairs. And to learn pair programming, you're probably going to switch pairs quite a lot. But that's cool. Now, pair programming, when you're looking for knowledge transfer, is a little bit different. Because in this case, you would expect the driver, who doesn't have the mouse and keyboard, to actually be that person with the skill, the expert, you might say, in a particular skill set, because probably everybody, jack of all trades and master of one in an Agile team, so everybody's got something to bring. But in this case, for this task, they're bringing a skill set and they're trying to transfer knowledge. So the typer will be the person who's actually in that learning situation, who's trying to acquire the particular skill required to complete the task. Now, this is actually really effective as a learning mechanism because people learn by doing. It's easy to tell and it's easy to waste time by telling. You can see how much of this skill the person possesses by reviewing their code as it's written. And you can influence, and you've got a very tight feedback loop. You can see immediately. Now, in this case, what you'd expect is the driver's going to be doing most of the talking, certainly the answering, and the typer's going to do most of the questioning. Also, once the skill is acquired, you'll see the driver will naturally move back off from the situation, and might well just leave, go for a coffee, come back, make sure that everything's going well, and then perhaps do something else if the skill's been transferred. You might even mix into a different team, move somebody else in, if that's the way it works. This use of pair programming, I've had great success with it. I've been in lots of Agile environments where it's a really good way. Even if you're not doing complete extreme and you don't pair up all the time, it's a fantastic way to transfer knowledge. But it's quite distinctively different. It has a different flavour when using that area. And you can tell by observing when that's happening.